Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ACH transfers for taxable brokerage accounts step by step clearly. To authorize ACH transfers for your taxable brokerage account, start by logging into your brokerage account online. Navigate to the account or settings section of the platform. Look for a link or tab labeled Transfers or Funds Transfer. Select the option for Add Bank Account or Manage Bank Accounts. Enter your bank account details. Confirm that the account type is marked as either checking or savings, depending on your bank account. Review any additional information required, such as the account holder's name and the bank's address. After entering all details, look for a verification step. Some brokerages may require a micro-deposit verification. This involves the brokerage sending small amounts to your bank account. Check your bank account for these small deposits. Return to your brokerage account and confirm the deposited amounts as instructed. Once verified, return to the transfer settings. Select the bank account you've just authorized for ACH transfers. Set the desired amount and frequency for your ACH transfers. Follow the prompts to finalize the setup. Make sure to review all details for accuracy before confirming the transaction. Your ACH transfers should now be authorized for your taxable brokerage account. You may receive a confirmation message that the setup is complete. Keep an eye on your account to ensure the transfers process as planned. If you encounter any issues, consult your brokerage's customer service for assistance. This entire process should enable smooth ACH transfers for your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.